Hello, welcome to Help You Math.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the solution for the problem 5 of the quiz. We have 7 times x over 2 minus 5 equals 5 times x over 6 minus 3 plus 20. This is a very long equation, and it also has 2 parentheses in there. What you need to do is to look at each parenthesis if we can simplify them. So here's x over 2, that's x term. Here's a number, so we cannot just simplify it, so we need to open it. This one too, we have x term, have a number. We cannot simplify it either, so we need to open it. So the next step, we just directly open it. 7, we need to distribute it. So 7 times x over 2, that gives us 7x over 2. Here is 7 times negative 5, that gives us negative 35. Then equals 5 times x over 6, that gives us 5x over 6. Then 5 times negative 3, that gives us negative 15. Then plus 20. As you can see, we have the fraction in this equation. The next step, we can find the LCD, or as you can see here, I have the 2 like terms. You can combine them first. We can combine them first and then find the LCD. That's going to be much easier. So we have 7x over 2 minus 35 equals 5x over 6. Negative 15 plus 20, that gives us positive 5. So we have 2 fractions here. We have 7x over 2. We have 5x over 6. So the denominator here is 2 and also 6. 6 can be rewrite to 3 times 2. And also here, 2 just 2 is a prime number. We cannot simplify to anything. So here we have a common factor 2. We have number 3. So the LCD will be 6. So we can multiply 6 for both sides of this equation. We have 6 times 7x over 2 minus 35 times 6 equals 6 times 5x over 6 plus 5 times 6. Here the number is very large, just be careful. So we have 6 divided by 2, that gives us 3. 3 times 7x, 3 times 7x gives us 21x. Here we have here we have 35 times 6, that gives us 10 equals 6 cancel out, that gives us 5x. Then we have 30. It's very easy equation right now. It's just 2 terms x on different side of the equation. They have 2 numbers. Then we just need to move the x term on one side, move the number to the other side, solving for x. So here's 5x. We can subtract 5x for both sides. Then we have 21x minus 5x. That gives us 16x. Then minus 210 equals 5x cancel out. We have 30 here. Then we can move the numbers to the other side. Here's minus 210, we need to plus 210. Then we have 16x. 210 and 210 cancel out equals 240. Then we divide it by 16 for both sides of the equation. Then we have x equals 240 equals 16. Actually, 240 over 16, we can simplify it. Here, 16 is 4 times 4. 240 is 4. We can write 2 times 4 times 15. 4 cancel out, 4 cancel out. So x equals 15. That's the answer for this equation.